Good doggy.
I suppose the Chuds don't kill their victims. Suppose they just nibble.
It doesn't matter. Once the enzyme's introduced into the brain, and believe me, they like to get their teeth into gray matter, sort of like caviar, normal life ceases. The Chudified brain, however, lurches into a second life, an uncontrolled life.
So what you're saying basically is...
In a very real sense, Chudism is a disease that cannot be stopped. A plague, if you will.
Well, there goes your perfect soldier theory.
Ah. Well, then we'll just fry the bastard's brains, huh? We'll just bring some more of those boys down here and have ourselves a barbecue. Hmm? Huh?